This is Roost Vans 2022 Transit Mid-Roof cargo van, where we installed our core build with plenty of extra. Well, now with this mid-roof van, we put in some upper cabinetry, under cabinetry lighting, inset window panels, kitchen cabinet with storage and underneath drawer, as well as a vent fan, and of course our mounting rail system on both sides of the ceiling of the van, the upper walls to allow for great mounting of cabinetry, as well as our 3-panel Fuket bed system shown with the rear bed panel flipped up. And of course, lower walls for mounting the bed system. Bed system has the rear flip up panel flipped up, and then also we've added a front flip up system to easily access underneath the van garage space. And over here we have our Loo Box. On top of the Loo Box we have a bench seat pad, and inside the Loo Box we have a simple chamber pot with a tight fitting lid. Now our kitchen cabinet is glass lid with a single burner stove, as well as, of course, a faucet with on-demand water. Inside the cabinet we have a Yeti Goal Zero 1500X power station, access to the electrical requirements of the van, and then a simple propane to power your stove. We have our switch plate panel with our heater control that's located underneath the seat and powered by the gasoline tank of the van. And then dimming lighting controls for the ceiling, as well as dimming lighting controls for underneath the cabinetry, an extra dimming lighting control for future use, as well as a couple auxiliary switches for future use. And that is our 2022 all-wheel drive mid-roof transit van.